We'll see about government quality and cost control. How we are going to define about the quality control. Quality control is the maintaining the product within the given standards. The objective of quality control is to identify and correct any deviations from the established quality standards. This process involves monitoring and inspecting the products or services at various stages of production or delivery to ensure that they meet the quality aspect. Then quality control is a procedure or set of procedures intended to ensure that a manufactured product or performed service adheres to a defined set of quality criteria or meets the requirements of the given product. Then quality control may be defined as a system that is used to maintain a desired level of quality in the product or service. It is a systematic control of various factors that affect the quality of the product. That means the quality expects from the beginning till the end product, from the raw material till the finished product. How we are going to maintain the quality in each aspect we are seeing. Then the concept of quality control for raw material is the active ingredients comprising identity, purity and content testing and are carried out for the following the regulations according to the customer's own instructions. The quality control concept is to maintain the standard of the given product. Then quality control for raw material and active ingredients comprise identity, purity and content testing and are carried out following the regulations of the customer's own instructions. That means the main concept is to maintain the given standards within the finished product. The raw material specifications, that are specification means the given standards in the product. The key characteristics for the raw ingredients must be documented with all the relevant specifications. That means in standards. This may be the dated technical sheet from the supplier. A purchase order should list the supplier's specific name and item number for the material. That means from the beginning we have to check the quality of the raw material, how the raw material is arriving, what is the type of the quality, then material cost, then lifespan. All these we have to see the characteristics. Then by identifying the issues in the production process, quality control reduces waste, rework and downtime. That means it reduces the workmanship and labor cost, material cost and saves time and energy. Then this leads to increased of efficiency and lower manufacturing costs. Another significant benefit of quality control is minimization of product failures and recalls. That means it saves time and energy and manpower also. Then the material will be also saved. Then the purpose of quality checking is to visual inspection, sampling and testing, supplier audit and certification, traceability and documentation, continuous improvement. Visual inspection means by inspecting the product if there is any defects in the product. Then sampling and testing is done for checking the any lack of quality. Then supplier audit and certification is must for identifying the standard. Then traceability and documentation is very important, and the documentation helps us to receive the data requirements. Then for continuous improvement, we are checking all these qualities. Okay, thank you.